Okay, welcome to another day of my renovation journey. Okay, so seems like the first round of the painting is done. Okay, and so there's a backsplash that my ID kindly sponsor me. I guess. I think it's just a goodwill gesture because I managed to introduce a client to him. So this is backsplash is like a surprise, and we are happy to have it, and we thank him for that. Okay, so some of the kitchen tiles we hack off, and we paint it to a grey color tone that match our theme. Okay, this wall is also painted with grey color, right, and all the way towards this backdrop where we'll put our dining table. Okay, still in a mess, right. Painted the like this the rooms, okay, same color, some more touch up, but today by the kind painter, one of him here, and it's done. Okay, same for the master bedroom. Okay, so basically after everything is done, everything installed, the painter will still come here to do another round of paint to kind of touch up or see if there's anything not right. Okay, so this is just the first round of paint that's being done. And to the toilet, the master toilet, left the cabinets to be arrived, and kind of good update is that the glass panel for our shower screen is here. It's faster than expected. Okay, so it has arrived and installed, and probably we got to clean the window panel because it's kind of dirty. This is a common bathroom. It's up here also. Our toilet bowl are delayed for like 2 weeks, unfortunately, so we got to wait for that. Okay, another important point, right, because the floor beside the kitchen here, right, this floor all over the living room and towards the bedroom, we are actually using vinyl flooring. But a point to note that because our bomb shelter is here, and it kind of sucks because using the vinyl flooring, we might not be able to open the bomb shelter in a more seamless way. I'll say that because it's kind of like this kind of too thick, you know. So when open, right, you kind of stuck with the vinyl flooring that we lay over will be stuck. And you know that a bomb shelter is forbidden from being tampered with based on the SCDF law, which is, I think, it's a bit weird, but we made the decision to actually, right, this foyer area here, that we're supposed to lay with the vinyl flooring, we probably got to hack it and then put maybe some new tiles, and or maybe we use the leftover from our kitchen tiles that is in the wooden nature. So we let our interior designer to figure out if it's able to kind of make this foyer area to have the tiles, and that means that we might need to hack a bit like this squarish areas, rectangular area to meet the requirement. So it's unfortunate that there's more hacking to be done, more dust, and apologies to my neighbor. So everything looks good, and we'll see how it goes next. Thank you everyone for viewing.